Welcome to the Oracle Cloud Platform Partner Update.
I'm Jürgen Kress, part of the Oracle Product Management team and your host.
This month's topics include free certification, hands-on bootcamps to connect SaaS with Oracle Integration 3 and our community webcast. So let's get started. First of all, congratulations and thanks for another excellent rocking fiscal year FY23. We start in the new fiscal year FY24 on June 1st. Thanks to your support, Oracle was named as the leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. With a growth of 76%, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is growing rapidly. Your opportunity to use Oracle integration to connect SaaS and upsell additional services. Thanks and congratulations. Starting June 1st until end of August, Oracle University offers free certification. This includes 26 courses covering Oracle infrastructure and Oracle applications, including the brand new Oracle Integration and Oracle Digital Assistant guided learning paths and certification. To become a certified expert and to receive regular information, please join the partner communities. Attend a free hands-on training for both integration or digital assistant and choose your brand new guided learning path, which is an online training including the exam. Exams are available for Integration 3 and the latest version of Oracle Digital Assistant. For Oracle partners, we offer a free 3-day hands-on training to connect SaaS with Oracle integration. Goal of the training is to learn hands-on how to connect ERP, HCM and CX. Special thanks to Kisha and Sobani for updating all content to the latest version Oracle Integration 3. Upcoming schedules include APAC, US, India, Brazil, EMEA, and many more locations. For details, please see the monthly community newsletter. In this month's community webcast, Joanne and Harris will discuss the role of integration in an artificial intelligence project. Join us on June 27th to learn how to leverage Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for your AI project. To wrap up today's presentation, in case you are not yet a member in the partner community, please make sure that you register now. Take advantage of the free certification for Oracle Digital Assistant and Oracle Integration. For preparation, attend the upcoming hands-on bootcamp and tune in our community webcast to learn more about AI. Thanks for watching.